Hey, what's up guys? Rudelinell here, coming back at you with another batch tutorial. And we've been looking at arrays just recently, and we're going to keep doing that right now. Keep pounding the pressure on the arrays, and making some pretty cool programming stuff. Programs. That's the word that I wanted to say, but I was so excited I didn't even end up saying it. Yeah! West Side. Alright, so let's get CMD ready to rock. Because I know I'm ready to rock. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pumped. I'm excited. We're almost done the batch tutorials. That's awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and save this as add echo off. No, let's not. Let's call it array. What is it? What is it? What do I want to call this? What should I call this? Array index? Yeah, I think it's array index. Array index.bat. Perfect. Now, what array index will do, or does, or is going to do, whatever you'd like, however you'd like to say it, it will return the index or the position where we find one value inside of the array. So we'll need the array name itself. We'll need what we're trying to find. We'll need the return, and then of course we will need a position because we want to be able to make it optional, or at least we want to make it decide whether or not we should start from a certain position or just go from the beginning. So we're going to want to start by actually getting the find string, create string find, and that can equal the second argument that we pass to it, because that's what it is, and set position. Position is actually going to equal the fourth argument, but we're immediately going to test right after it if the value of the position, if that's equal to nothing, so if they haven't actually passed anything in for the position, then position can equal 0. And if not, then we don't have to worry about it. But we also are going to want to set our return variable to equal -1 by default. So on the off chance we don't find anything, we can go ahead and just like say, yeah, we don't know where it is, man, go away. Come back another time. And that's all there is to it. But we are going to need a limit, because we're going to be looping, of course. So we'll say the length of our array, subtract 1, and then we'll begin to loop. So for-l g in. Now remember, we're going to start from a certain position. It's usually by default 0, but of course we can modify that. We'll increment by 1, and we'll go up until our limit. Then we'll do, and we can go ahead and test with a conditional statement if the current position that we're at inside of the array, if that's equal to what we're looking for, or our find thing, our variable here, what we can actually do is go ahead and set our return statement, or our return value, to equal the current position, and then we'll break out of the loop. So we'll go to the end, and we can go ahead and create end right down at the bottom here, and we should be set to go. Alright, let's go ahead and test this out. If I were to create a script, this is just a typical, normal script we're working in every day. I'll create my main function as usual. Set local. Okay. Let's go ahead and create an array. I think I'll say array. I think I'll have it say, I am really hungry. Because, I'm pretty hungry right now. It's almost dinner time, though. I'm out getting pizza pretty soon. That's cool. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and call array index. Pass in the array, and let's say we're looking for I. And the return can equal return. We can echo out return. Now let's run our script. Oh, and we had a problem. What's going on here? Create string find. Oh, it looks like it's probably over here. Yep. Yeah, okay. I forgot the limiter here. Sorry about that, guys. Make sure you use a space or whatever you'd like to use. And then we can go ahead and say script and 0, because it does not find it anywhere. In fact, I'm just kidding. 0 is the first position inside of our array, remember, because our computer starts counting array indexes at 0 and then goes up, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that sort of thing. So when we get 0, that means it really is at position 0. Now, if I was looking for am, we get it at 1. What if I were looking for hungry? That's at 3. And if we were to look for, let's say, food, what do we get here? -1. So it's not actually inside the script. It's not inside the array anyway. But there you go, guys. It's very simple, very easy. Sorry about the mess ups there. Really, it's not that big of a deal. Just go make something. Now that's gonna find nothing because it's not gonna find anything. That's as simple as it gets, guys. Thank you very much, though, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Before I go, though, let's go ahead and put this inside of our system path. So array index, we can go ahead and copy that and put it into our tools, and I'll cut it and go ahead and put it into our system path, C Windows System 32. Plop it right in there, and we're ready to rock. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment if you would like to share some input and feedback. That'd be really fantastic. I love to know what you're thinking. And maybe subscribe. I don't know. It's whatever you guys do. But thanks again. Bye.